So PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, and PRF, which is platelet-rich fibrin, are both utilized for hair restoration. And the thought behind it was that if we took our own stem cell and actually injected it to the root of the hair follicle, it would improve it. PRF or PRP can be seen as if you were putting fertilizer on grass, but if the actual grass had its own awakening from its own natural self. So the difference between the fertilizer and stem cells is that it's natural. That depends on the patient. So anecdotally, I've seen improvement after one injection of PRF, and I've had other patients as well. However, the protocol is that we inject the area of concern once every 6 weeks for 4 treatments. Honestly, anyone's a great candidate for microneedling, which is collagen induction therapy using the device that we use here as SkinPin. So there are 12 surgical grade needles that we use sterilely to use a glide of your own stem cell. So it's completely natural and you heal from within. I mean, honestly, anyone can benefit from it. It's just that people are nervous because they don't know about it. So I'd be honored to take care of them and to answer any questions if they had any. So I was blessed to work under Dr. Winslow for a few years in polycystic ovarian syndrome clinic, and many of patients that have PCOS, a lot of people say PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome, have androgenic alopecia. Male pattern baldness is often what it's called, so men as well see this pattern of hair loss, and PRF is used for this. So it's actually a fantastic treatment with a customized approach, because you have to get the androgen levels under control, but when they are, this actual stem cell for healing from within helps the condition. So there's current research with smooth threads, which are actually acupuncture that has a dissolvable suture. PDS is PDO, and you probably can see that in our prior videos, but that it is improving blood flow to the area where the hair follicle is. So in combination with platelet-rich fibrin or platelet-rich plasma, the actual little smooth threads will stimulate the hair follicle to grow.